Damn, bitch. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Style Helper. So today I have this, I guess it's just like a DIY backdrop. I'm pretty sure you see it everywhere, but I wanted to come on here and share with some of you who are struggling with like getting a background or somewhere to start your YouTube channel at. The lights were under $20. These were under $20. This whole project was under $20 from Amazon. So if you're interested in seeing me set up my backdrop, please stay tuned and keep watching. Okay, you guys, so now everything's on the wall. So now I have to go get my... Okay, you guys, so this is the finished product, I guess. This is the finished result of the $17 string lights and the $3 two pack of curtains. This is what everything looks like. It's really, really pretty, you guys. Excuse my bed. And it's just really relaxing. Oh my gosh. I really do enjoy this, you guys. So, just, you know, get you something like this. I know how it is starting off from YouTube. To all my 35 subscribers. I have 35 subscribers now. Thank you guys so much for supporting me and everything. I really appreciate y'all's support, and I'm gonna you know, give it back in return. I'm gonna return, you know, likewise. I'm gonna keep putting out quality content for you guys. Trust me, y'all not gonna want to miss a video. I'm gonna do self-motivating videos, healthy eating videos, DIYs, and you guys, I'm gonna try to incorporate try on haul. I lost a ton of weight. So yeah, you guys, be on the lookout for all that. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.